My experience is women brains are wired to their hormones, much more so than men. So this is very important. And then as you age, this is what happens to your hormones. Estrogen is the top line. You can see it falls off, and down here at age 50, it really starts to bottom out. Progesterone starts to decrease earlier, as does testosterone. Progesterone is your calming chemical. So a lot of women in their 40s start having problems with anxiety. They start having problems with sleep, and it's not a Prozac or an Ambien deficiency. It really is a progesterone deficiency. Testosterone also starts to go down. So if you ask a woman's husband, he'll say, yes, she doesn't have the get up and go she had in her 20s, and also the libido goes too. So she doesn't have quite the desire she had when she was younger. I'll give you just a quick rundown of how I look at hormones. So to me, estrogen is sort of the fountain of youth hormone. It really helps with the heart and brain health, bone health, skin health, mood, and mental clarity. Progesterone's women's natural Valium. It acts on the same receptors, the GABA receptors, that Valium works on. So it's very calming to the female brain. It also helps with sleep, as you can see, sleep and anxiety, and it also balances estrogen in the uterus and also balances estrogen in the breast. A lot of the old school dogma, the old GYN, say if you don't have a uterus, you don't need to be on progesterone. It's wrong. You need to be on progesterone for the calming effects, also for the calming effects that it has on estrogen in the breast. Well, natural progesterone will actually decrease your risk of breast cancer. And then testosterone is your get up and go hormone. Again, it helps with energy, muscle strength, helps with weight, self-esteem, relationships. It also reduces your cardiovascular risk and bone health. One of the things that happened is when we put women on hormones, started getting comments like this: I haven't felt this good in a long time. I haven't felt this good in 20 years. I haven't felt this good since I'm 20. So not only does it help with all these internal things that they can't feel, it also makes women in particular feel, much better, gives them much better quality of life. So finally, again, this is my hope that you sort of see hormone therapy as a healthy aging strategy and not dancing with death, not dancing with breast cancer, because it really is untrue.
Explore in-depth information by watching the full hormone replacement therapy video on NAWI's YouTube channel. Visit https://youtube.com/@Naples Aesthetics Wellness INST for the complete video. Find out more about hormone replacement therapy. Visit our website at https://naplesawi.com/hormone-replacement-therapy. Call for an appointment to 3920-20441.